Stop putting toothpaste on your pimples. Stop washing your face with boiling hot water. And please, for the love of clear skin, stop believing TikTok myths. Let's clear this up. Literally. These are 10 skincare myths that need to disappear forever. Let's go. Myth number 1. Hot water opens your pores. Nope, your pores don't open or close like little windows. Hot water actually dries out your skin. Stick to lukewarm. It's the sweet spot. Myth number 2. Oily skin doesn't need moisturizer. Total myth. Skipping moisturizer makes your skin produce more oil. Use a lightweight one and stay balanced. Myth number 3. Natural skincare is always better. No. Natural can mean poison ivy. Your skin doesn't care if it came from a plant or a lab. It cares if it works. Myth number 4. Toothpaste gets rid of pimples. Nope, nope, nope. It can burn your skin and cause irritation. Use actual spot treatments, not Colgate. Myth number 5. You only need sunscreen when it's sunny. UV rays don't care about clouds. If it's daytime, wear sunscreen. Period. Myth number 6. If it burns, it's working. Pain doesn't equal progress. If it burns, rinse it off. Your skin should feel treated, not tortured. Myth number 7. Blackheads are just dirt. They're oxidized oil and dead skin, not dirt. Don't scrub them out. Use salicylic acid and be gentle. Myth number 8. Acne ends after your teen years. Nope, adult acne is totally normal. Stress, hormones, life, it happens. Myth number 9. You need a 10-step skincare routine. You really don't. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. That's your holy trinity. Everything else? Optional. Myth number 10. Drinking water clears your skin. Water's great, but it's not a skincare routine. You still need to wash your face and eat something other than hot Cheetos. So how many of these did you believe? No judgment, we've all been there. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe for more real skincare facts, and send this to your friend who still thinks burning equals working. Catch you next time. Your skin's new BFF is signing off.